Hi everyone, my name is Sonaldeep Singh. My student ID is 2019633357. This is my assessment task 2, a scenario based project for City Hotel Melbourne for the unit work integrated and project. Let's begin with the introduction. In this present scenario, it is based on City Hotel, which is located in CBD, Melbourne, Australia. Due to the increase in COVID-19 pandemic cases, the hotel has noticed a significant reduction in occupancy rate. The board of City Hotel has made a decision of developing a new strategy and rebranding the business, including SWOT analysis, target market, pricing strategy, request, physical asset for banquet, and measuring organizational performance. Let's talk about the key requirements. In order to improve the performance of hotel, the key consideration in the new business strategy are primarily related to its profitability, customer satisfaction, and employee satisfaction. Most of their profit from room revenue. In this context, from the total cost charged, the operational price for maintaining these rooms is approximately 15%, and the remaining 85% act as profit from the room price. According to a research report, happy and satisfied customers are 31% more productive and creative, and also found to generate 12% more profit for hotels. Let's talk about SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a key part of any business intelligence plan. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. Strength and weakness are internal factor, and opportunity and threats are external factor. A SWOT diagram analysis a project or business measure by focusing on each of these factors. Let's start with the strength first. It is highly popular among the customer for its customer services. Number of facilities, which include room, gym, office, event halls, spa, multi-cuisine restaurants, banquet halls, swimming pools, and cafes are provided. For facilities, customer loyalty programs of the visitor are provided with the chance of winning points for their membership cards. On the other hand, weaknesses are its unequal growth in different segments, a limited market share due to strong competition. The brand name of company is less expanded at the international level. The operation plan for measuring organizational performance. The organizational performance of City Hotel should be considered different tools such as profit or sales, productivity, customer satisfaction rate, employee productivity, and capability to adopt change. The result of these performance measurements tools should be evaluated by comparing previous year's performance along with the performance of competitors. The City Hotel should be also emphasized to understand whether it is producing value for its shareholders, whether the employees are performing as per expectations, whether the employees and customers are satisfied, and whether it is ahead of its competitors. If we talk about the target marketing strategy, it can be seen that target market strategy of City Hotel can be made on the basis of geographic, demographic, psychology, and the benefits. The hotel can shift its preference from one target segment to other. In this context, to do graphic location, City Hotel is located in Melbourne, and it is one of those key destinations for business people and tourists. In this pandemic, most of the travelers and tourists, either individual or with family, have cancelled their plans of visiting and staying in hotels. However, the business and commercial customers are still bound to continue their profession and get involved in frequent travels. Hence, the hotel has now only targeted these business class and commercial customers. The new pricing strategy for the City Hotel can be divided into 4 different parts. Occupancy based pricing strategy. In this pricing strategy approach, the hotel has the opportunity to fix price on the basis of supply and demand. The room rates can be increased with the increase in the rate of demand than supply. The second one is forecasting based on pricing. In this approach, the pricing of hotel rooms is fixed on the basis of forecasting the availability of rooms in the future. Competitor based pricing. In order to sustain in the market, it is important to implement the pricing competitively by understanding and evaluating their rates of hotel rooms. In this context, it is also important to identify how customers react to their pricing. Customer segment based pricing strategy. In this strategy, the customer of the same room can be under the 4 different customer segments. This varying in cost can be due to extra feature available in the room such as sea facing or mountain view. Acquiring physical assets for banquet facilities for City Hotel can be. The hotel should emphasize increasing the hall capacity. In addition to, there should be provision and access of audio visual equipments, and the price would be including in the banquet booking cost. The hotel can also provide staff service in banquet hall for servicing snacks, drink, and other services. The physical environment of the banquet to be made attractive by incorporating classy as well as functional settings. The operation plan for measuring organizational performance. The organizational performance of City Hotel should be considered different tools such as profit or sales, productivity, customer satisfaction rate, employee productivity, and capability to adopt change. The result of these performance measurements should be evaluated by comparing previous year's performance along with the performance of competitors. The City Hotel should be also emphasized to understand whether it is producing value for its shareholders, whether the employees are performing as per expectations, whether the employees and customers are satisfied, and whether it is ahead of its competitors. At last, the business report has illustrated the significance of customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, and profitability. In this context, a SWOT analysis is conducted to determine the target marketing and pricing strategy. Finally, an operation plan is designed to measure organizational performance. These are the references of my work, and thank you so much for watching.